Hi, and welcome to our BMC Helix What's New video series. In this short video, we'll highlight a few of the key features in our 22.2 release. Within Helix Operations Management, we made improvements to the alert policy and have provided better tools for root cause isolation. We are bringing up a new alert policy on the autonomous digital enterprise platform. Alerts allow to detect issues quickly without having to look at the monitoring dashboard all the time to spot them. We are enhancing the alert policy and moving it from Kibana to our autonomous digital enterprise platform. A user can create an alert for a given condition of interest, and once the condition is met, events are generated in the Helix Operations Management. While managing and analyzing log events, users can do multiple actions defined, including notifying the end user. They can also cross-launch into log analytics to see the associated logs corresponding to that log event. They will be able to provide group by criteria, as well as being able to add additional parameters and log events, as provided by the BMC Helix Operations Monitoring event logging class. Another value added is that we make use of the flexible and robust autonomous digital enterprise platform. Also, the log events are enriched with the host content, so it's easier to correlate them along with the other events in artificial intelligence for IT operations. On the artificial intelligence for IT operations root cause isolation with log events, we added some new functionality. As the log events get enriched with the relevant context like the host of the service, they can get correlated in artificial intelligence for IT operations along with other events coming from metrics or third-party sources in context of the service. A user can deep dive into log events and cross-launch into the log analytics for the associated logs and troubleshoot the issue. Benefits are the root cause isolation and finding the causal events to solve problems. Thus, problems get corrected even before users are impacted as situations are formed from the log events. Helix Artificial Intelligence for IT operations helps to predict service outages and helps the organization to reduce their overall mean time to repair and costs. Service-centric predictions and insights are key features for this release. We'll be able to predict any kind of outage for a service which is to happen in the next 24 hours and show this upfront in the form of a predictive event. Enabling organizations to maximize performance and save time and costs, monitoring the environment by automatically providing key insights which would take days to analyze manually. Also, they can predict service outages and help the organization to reduce their overall mean time to repair and costs. In the latest release, we created a complete new user interface to create business services. By helping you to create and manage key performance indicators, we help predict service outages and help organizations to reduce their overall mean time to resolve and costs. We also can help in measuring the health of business service through the key performance indicators. For Helix Continuous Optimization, an important theme is usability, improvement and modernization. We are redesigning the workspace to make it more usable and more modern. You can see that the whole look and feel of the new workspace that we are designing today is both modern looking and adds a lot of usability features. An example of this is the ability to cross-launch into Helix dashboards. Giving a unified customer experience across IT operations management and provide a complete 360-degree view of entities for efficient operations and optimization management. In the Service and Operations Prediction team, we'll be releasing the ability to see predictions of business drivers supporting growth. You can see our new Business Service Overview page in which you can view the growth of potential of all the business drivers. By doing this and making this information available, we answer the question like how much growth in terms of mission critical indicators driving your business can the current infrastructure support. For Helix Portal and Common Services, we are showing improved functionality around notifications and auditing. The first feature we'll talk about is Auditing for Information Management System component. We are creating an auditing framework, and that framework is available for all consuming applications to consume or build auditing service. In terms of the portal side, we'll be using or consuming that Service Information Management System component. For any crowd operations in Information Management System or object, like users, group access keys, any change will be logged from the user's perspective, with a date and timestamp, into this audit service. An out-of-the-box audit report will be available for viewing the Information Management System audit transactions. Users can filter down to customize the report and view the required data. The next feature is the notification in Helix portal, which is basically the email service. This is a brand new service in this release. It will be a simple service with a standard email template where you can send emails to users, to a group, or a group of users, or to a particular user. So it will be a standard template which the consuming teams can take up and build multiple templates of, using that standard template and creating email notifications. This concludes this video on BMC Helix and what's new in our 22.2 release. For more information about BMC Helix, please visit the URL shown in the slide. Thanks for watching.